Here it is. Here it is. Here it is. Okay. What is this? What is this piece of paper that I've just been yelling out? It's here. Well, it's actually confirmation that I've ordered my next set of tires. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about that and why I'm disappointed right now. All right. Let's get into it. All right. So what do I mean I'm disappointed? Well, right now I'm still running the BF Goodrich KO2s, and I should have a different brand or a different kind of tire on my Hilux right now, today. As of this film, I should be filming my first impressions, or maybe not my first impressions, but perhaps what brand they are and why I've chosen them. And then, of course, after that, maybe a week or two, I'll be talking about my first impressions, which brings me to what I'm actually doing here right now. And that is my very first moments. Or let's take a moment. The title will be popping up right now. But before that, I should just say, have you had an opportunity yet to do this? Hopefully you have already, and please jump on board, the more the merrier. So take a moment is basically my time to actually tell a little story, talk about something in a bit more detail, or even talk about something completely unrelated to the trip that is happening at that time. And I'm hoping to insert a moment, or take a moment I should say, into some of the upcoming videos that are a bit more longer, maybe part 1, 2, 3, whatever the jazz may be with that. And I'm probably going to be putting it as a separate little series as well, just in case the subject or whatever it might be of interest to you. So let me start right now with what I want to talk about. Is tires. And no, not these ones. I've already covered these in 3, possibly 4 separate videos. And look, as you already know, they're really, really good tires. So when I get my next set, I wanted to give you a bit of an overview of what you can expect. All right, so my plans for the future upcoming tire videos go as such. So I'm going to be doing a reveal of what they are and why I purchased them. Of course, followed by that after 1 to 2 weeks, it depends on actually how long that's going to rack up or how many Ks I'm going to rack up, and if whatever differences I notice and how they actually live up to the manufacturer's promises, which of course are always the best case scenario. Followed by every 10,000 kilometers, I'm going to be doing a short but sweet and detailed and hopefully entertaining video on what's happening with those tires at that point, from tire wear to road noise, sidewall, how they inflate, are they going out of balance, what else is happening with the tires. So basically, anything that comes to mind, and of course the general things I cover in my other tire reviews, I'm going to be doing in those. So you get to look forward to the lifespan of those tires, however long that may be. As I've mentioned before in other videos, generally manufacturers hope for the glorious 80,000 Ks plus. Will I get that? Who knows? I had the KO2s on it's actually racked up to 4 years recently, actually since the Sydney 4-Wheel Driving Adventure Expo. I've got up to the old 4-year mark because that's just good running, I guess. Peter from Team Low Range 4x4. Don't forget to hit the